joining us for the virtual Family Fun Cheerios cooking demonstration. If you love Cheerios, then you already know that they taste yummy and are good for you. But did you know there's a lot more to Cheerios than the breakfast bowl? Today, we're going to be showing you how to make a few fun Cheerio recipes, which we got all of the ideas from this Cheerios cookbook. So if you like these recipes, you can find a lot more in this, and so you can check out this book along with a lot of the other fun cookbooks we have at the library. But before you start trying to make any of these recipes, we do recommend that you gather all of the ingredients and wash your hands. And with that, let's get cooking. So for our first recipe, we're going to show you how to make a very berry parfait. For this recipe, you'll need half a cup of Cheerios, a quarter cup of whatever type of berry you like, and a container of whatever flavored berry yogurt that you like as well. The first step, you're going to go and take the Cheerios and put them in a bag, and then you're going to slightly crush up the Cheerios. If you want, you can use a rolling pin, or you can use a can of soup, or you can crush it with your hands. Once it's crushed up as much as you'd like, then you can go and stop. And then you're going to go and layer the berries and the yogurt. And then to top it off, you put the cereal pieces. And then you have your very berry parfait. For our next recipe, we'll show you how to make frozen bananas. For this recipe, you'll need 1 banana, 1 container of yogurt, and a cup of Cheerios. You may also want to have something you can stick into the banana, such as a fork or a popsicle stick or a straw. Just something that'll make it easier to dip the banana into the yogurt and Cheerios. For the first step, you're going to go and take the banana and peel it and cut it into 6 pieces. Then you're going to take the fork and put it into one of the banana pieces and dip it into the yogurt. Once it's covered, you're also going to want to go and then dip it into the Cheerios. After that, it'll be ready to freeze. So you're going to be putting it into the freezer for about an hour until it firms up a little bit, and then it'll be ready to eat. For our next recipe, we're going to show you how to make a Cheerio trail mix. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of Cheerios, 1 cup of Teddy Grahams, half a cup of nuts, and half a cup of raisins. But you can also customize the recipe to include whatever you have on hand. So for this recipe, all you'll need to do is, once you have the ingredients measured out, you're going to pour them all in a bowl or a plastic bag. If it's in a plastic bag, then you can shake up the bag to help mix it up. If it's in a bowl, you can just stir it to help mix up the trail mix. And then it's ready to enjoy. For our last recipe, we're going to show you how to make a Cheerios bird feeder. For this recipe, you'll need Cheerios, an ice cream cone, peanut butter. If you have any bird seed, you can use that as well. And you'll also want some pipe cleaner or some string or something that you can use to hang the bird feeder on a branch in a tree. So first, you're going to take your ice cream cone and cut off the top. That way you'll have a spot where you can thread the string or the pipe cleaner to help hang the bird feeder. Then you're going to take the peanut butter and spread it on the outside of the ice cream cone. This is going to be what helps the Cheerios and the birdseed, if you have it, stick to the ice cream cone. After you've covered the ice cream cone with the peanut butter, if you have birdseed, you'll roll the ice cream cone in the birdseed first, and then the Cheerios. If you don't have birdseed, then you can just roll it in the Cheerios. So you want to roll it until it's covered as much as you can get it. Once you like how it looks, then you're going to go and take the pipe cleaner. You're going to tie it in a knot, or if you have a string, you'll want to tie a knot on the end as well. This is so that when you thread it through, it doesn't immediately fall off. And then if you kind of bend the end of the pipe cleaner, then it'll make a nice hook to go and put it on a branch.